Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and ECOVACS has released their latest flagship robot vacuum, the DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone. And this robot has something I have not seen before, and it's right on the front. There are two jets to help clean those kitchen grease stains and just those harder to get messes. Of course, it doesn't just vacuum, it will also use this long roller mop to mop up your floors. Big thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video and sending the X12 OmniCyclone for us to check out. A really big deal isn't just the robot vacuum, but also the base station. It is really maintenance free. It doesn't even have bags, so it will collect that dust for you. Quick empty out and you're good to go. Anyways, let's put this robot vacuum to the test, do some obstacle courses, cleaning those messes. We'll even check out that jet stream in the front. Let's get started. The X12 OmniCyclone has ECOVACS's signature style and look. It's very modern, very sleek, and that base station has all of the features you need. Will hold a good amount of water so you don't have to constantly keep replacing it. At the bottom, you have their Osmo Roller 3.0, the roller mop, which I like a lot better than those spinning mop pads. It also will self-clean itself while it's mopping, so it will continuously have a clean roll as it's picking up your floor. But not only that, like I said, other robot vacuums struggle with that kitchen grease that builds up, especially sauce stains. I made some ravioli the other night. I spilled red sauce on the floor and did want to do a test of that. This is the FocusJet stain pre-treatment. When it goes by before it mops, it will actually spray the stain. The goal of this is to loosen up the mess ahead of mopping it, to eliminate the need to go back and forth constantly to actually clean the floor. It will just clean it faster. It definitely passed the red sauce test with flying colors, plus all those other mops that we had to do, like milk and other messes. Plus, that Osmo roller will extend out so it makes sure to get against those baseboards and those corners. ECOVACS calls this their True Edge 3.0 system. So not just that mop pad, but also the bristles on the brush when vacuuming will reach out to that sideboard and actually bring the pesky dust and hair and dirt into the vacuum. Not only are those focus jets on the front brand new, something I've never seen before, something else I haven't seen before is with that mop roller. So yes, it will still lift up when it finds a carpet or recognizes a carpet, but it has a cover for that mop roller. It will physically cover up the mop roller just to secure and guarantee you're not going to get your carpets wet. This is better if you have high pile carpets or anything like that, so it's not dragging any water onto them. And on the front, next to those jets, are a ton of sensors, and it includes ECOVACS's AI-VI 3D 4.0 technology. It assists the X12 OmniCyclone in object detection, and here is that obstacle course test. Specifically, cables give robot vacuums a lot of problems, and this one handled it just fine. Shoes, cables. I don't really have to tidy up my house when I go to run this, which is a stress reliever, honestly. It even knows to avoid obstacles. It's not gonna tumble down your stairs, and even avoid pet waste as well. And when vacuuming, especially if you have pets, you're going to get hair in this brush here, and I haven't once had to actually sit there with scissors and cut it. They have their Zero Tangle 4.0 technology, and it clearly works. I haven't touched the bottom of this, and I don't see any hair tangled around it. And at the bottom, with that vacuum and dry messes, it has very powerful suction, so everything, all the different tests, including crumbs, pet hair as well, it went over it in one pass and made sure everything was clean. And once it's done vacuuming whatever mess you throw at it, it will empty itself in the station. And get this, their dual cyclone system pulls in at 25,000 PAs of suction every single time, as opposed to the ones that have bags. Once the bags start to fill up, it loses suction power. It just doesn't have the space to pull dirt out of the vacuum. Even the station allows you to empty the dustbin or wash the mop on the fly. It's fun to watch. The dual cyclone system looks really cool, and like I said, it just pulls the dirt out to make sure there's none left over in the robot vacuum. And then once it's filled up, you can just go ahead and empty it into the garbage and you're good to go. No need to buy more bags, anything like that. That base station has some other useful features like power boost charging. So while it's running the cleanup, if it needs to go back and empty the dustbin, it will fast charge your robot vacuum, which makes sure that you can continue a clean and finish it all in one section. That way you're not waiting a couple hours for it to charge back to full and then start again. You don't want it to interrupt your day. It can also recharge up to 13% in just 3 minutes. It's also so hands-free. When this is docked, it will auto clean its own roller mop and make sure everything is sanitized so no gunk gets built up around the robot vacuum. It just keeps your home in general clean. ECOVACS also has one of my favorite apps. It shows off multiple maps. You can select very specific zones. It lets you know where there's carpets and rugs. You can change the suction power, the different cleaning modes on the fly, and even go into advanced settings and really fine-tune how you want this robot vacuum to work. Anyways, that's everything from me on the DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone from ECOVACS, a true flagship robot vacuum with a lot of thoughtful features. I've been using it for about a month and I'm going to just keep using it. My home has been extremely clean, especially in the kitchen where those stains will build up. Their stains are just not building up because it's got that pre-treatment jet, and then it will roller mop right over it and keep everything clean. And of course, that bagless docking station is such a nice feature. I don't have to think about adding more bags or buying more. Long term, it'll just save you money. If you need it, ECOVACS has a traditional dust bag station version. It's the X12 Pro Omni. So anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I will be sure to link to everything down in the description of the video below. A lot more to come, so be sure to click that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.